Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tamago to wakame no soup. It's healthy and hearty egg and wakame seaweed soup. Very easy to make, so you can whip up in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Japanese leek. I'm using half of this today. 1 tablespoon of Chinese soup stock. This is the soup stock I'm using today. 2 eggs, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and some salt and pepper. Let's slice some leek. You can use green onion or chive instead. The top end is dried, so let's cut it off just a little bit. And let's just make thin slices. I like to use the green part of the leek. It adds nice color to the soup. Let's beat the eggs in a small bowl. Put 3 cups of water and the soup stock into the pot and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, pour the beaten egg little by little as you swirl the soup. And kill the heat immediately. Add wakame seaweed, sliced leek, sesame oil, little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a stir. Leave for a minute to rehydrate the wakame seaweed, and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And tamago to wakame no soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's such a simple soup with simple ingredients, but it's so flavorful. This soup and some onigiri rice ball would make perfect breakfast. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tamago to wakame no soup goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about gyoza for the main, pirikara moyashi for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!